Welcome back to my channel. I am Renuka and today I will just show you the fifth through this album I make, which is with the Hero Art kits. I don't have much products out of the kit, and you can easily manage to create this kind of journaling, or you can use as a photo albums also. So for the closure I use a normal satin ribbon. It's a nice heavyweight satin ribbon. I choose the yellow pastel color just to match this one. I see you all this and you can see how I made it the through video. So basically this is the concentrate book. Now you can see that you can put it on the display, something like that, and you can put your photos inside. So with your kit you can make more things and which I want to show you. So on the first page here we create a pocket. This have one flip through going on, and these are some small stuff you can write inside or write on it, and you can add and tuck many pages inside, whatever you like. I create this tab. The stamp came in the kit, and you can use to create various ways, and you can find the various ways to use it. This is Hero Arts multicolor ink, where I just wrap it and you can see, and I show all the different things I use. This is alcohol markers, these are white pens, pastel paints, and these are shimmery colors. So I will show you all the things I use, and then I put some of the things hanging like this also. So this is another thing, you can tuck something inside and something like that, and you can write on you and you can tuck something inside. And I created those lots of flaps like these ones, and I showed how I did it, and you can do the same way, that you can create the lots and lots of flaps like this to tuck in your page. I used some kind of previous things. This understanding one is from that, and here I put a lots of space to put the photos or write the journaling, whatever you want. I use the Hero Arts cardstock came in the kit, and this is another pocket, again the sewing, and this is the back of the album. Here this I hang little bit pieces, whatever those threads are there, and I just want to use those. And fun element, these tags dies also came in a kit, and that is also fun. And now from this side it says love. This love dies the back, somewhere back, two kits back, and here again you can put a small stuff inside, or you can just go ahead and decorate it by adding more fun stuff. These are also the things you can put here. Then I just create this flip-flop here, and here again you can write your journaling page or add photos, whatever you want to do with it, or you can just put the pretty things, you can do the drawings. And by the way, I didn't use this amphora. If you don't want to go ahead and if you want to go ahead and use this amphora, this will be a really easy album. You don't have to paste. I have something else in my mind, that's why I didn't use that, but rather than using this you can put something like that. You can put this, and that will also give a very beautiful album. I'm planning to make some kind of art piece with this, like the scrapbook page or something like that. So I put those apart, and then you can write inside. These are so many journaling pages. I add a little bit more. So after writing something, or I want to add this sticker, so I have these with me. I create a small pocket here with the leftover piece. This is again two tab, I just punch there them. This is another tab where you on the behind you can write. I use the stitching, so you can play with your stuff what you have, and you can put more stuff here also, so that you can use that afterwards. Then I create this small cutie pocket, and inside you can put all of this fun stuff. Then these are the cloud things that came. The cloud kind of, the die is not came, but it's kind of a stuff stamp came. You can use that. You can put extra of these here or extra of these here, so that whenever you want to use them you can just use them. And this little paste hanging here is the same die. I just stitch on it, and then I put all this pocket here. Another stuff, I didn't put anything around it. I just want to keep it like that way, and maybe I'll decide after writing something that where I want to put it. And then this is the album. Now if you put like this, it's gonna look so awesome. And you can see how this fun stuff inside it and hanging it, and I just created it for the fun and writing some kind of stuff here. When I started doing this, I don't want something on this side to hang, but you can put this thread here also, like you can see this here, and then you can do that also, but either way it's good. And then I'm just holding it back and tying a knot here so that everything will stay in the place. And you can use any kind of enclosure you want, and if you don't want enclosure, still it's okay, but sometimes still make fall outside. That's why I create an enclosure. You can create one enclosure like this, and you can create like a gift kind of stuff. So I hope you like this project, and soon I will come with the different project. And until the next project, have a crafty life. Bye bye.